So I'm in the middle of the chaos of moving. Everything is out of the cupboards and into a storage transport box. So it's making life a little bit interesting. I have somebody organised Friday afternoon to take the writing hutch away. I have organised for somebody tomorrow to do the filing cabinet. TV's off the wall. I'm living, camping indoors. I'm actually really happy. It's okay. Chairs will be really easy to take in the car, so that's not an issue. And thank you to Lynne Dalton, who gave me this absolutely beautiful toy. And that's been my friend for the last couple of weeks. But this is the next move. I'm getting somebody to move the table. So I'm going to take the top off. I'm going to put a duvet and cling film the top. Hopefully it'll survive. And then we can transport it in two parts, the table and the top. So let's see. Next adventure is to have this space completely empty. So this is what a Lego table looks like with 60 metres of cling film. I am hoping the theory is to keep the glass in the Duplo, the interlocking child's toy, in place. It's so heavy. I've tried to take it off by myself and I've quit. I initially was going to put the duvet on top and then cling film the duvet on, but the duvet wouldn't allow any purchase of the cling film, so I guess I can still put the duvet on top and yeah, just to protect it. I have no idea how this is going to work. Excellent. Another adventure. And my move is that I am going to renovate my new kitchen to accommodate my fridge. My fridge is just an ordinary 2-door French fridge that is massive, and I've only had it for 4 years and I love it. And so let's design an entire fridge around, a kitchen around this fridge. Because it's stainless steel, it doesn't, you can't put any magnets on it, but magnets is something that I do collect when I do travel. So I'm just about to pack up my world. So if we start down here, Disney, New Zealand, probably New Zealanders again, Princess Cruise Lines, or Sea Princess, and that's where I met Rohan and Vlad. Alcatraz, San Francisco was just one of the best trips ever. Disney from Nemo. So we have a couple of Caribbean islands. San Francisco, pretty impressive. Hague, so Netherlands, Lego. Lego is very important in my world. New York, been there 2 or 3 times and about to go again next month. This little guy, I think you'll find is San Francisco, but he's a teddy bear, so that's cute. There was my internet, but I'm now gone. And Costa Rica. So there is a little bit of my history in magnets. Loco, just crazy. Love you, bye. All gone, all packed, ready for the move.